In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Microsoft Loop. While Loop doesn't use traditional folders, you can achieve the same organized structure by nesting pages. I'll show you exactly how to set that up so your work stays clean, grouped, and easy to navigate. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. In the results, select the official Microsoft 365 page for Microsoft Loop. On that product page, choose Get Started with Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you're new to Microsoft 365. Once you're signed in, you'll land in the Loop web app. From here, decide where your folder structure will live. You can create a new workspace if you're starting fresh, or open an existing one if you already have projects underway. Inside the workspace, open a page you want to use as the top level. Think of this as the label for your folder. If you just created a workspace, Loop will prompt you to make a first page. That page will be your container. With that page open, look to the title area at the top. Next to the page title, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click it to reveal more options specific to this page. In that menu, choose New Subpage. Loop instantly creates a page nested under the current one, which functions like a foldered item within your container. This is the key to organizing in Loop. The parent page serves as the category, and each subpage holds related content. To build out your structure, repeat the same action and add another new subpage. You'll now have multiple items neatly grouped under the parent. This makes it simple to separate work streams like planning, tasks, and notes without scattering them across different areas. A quick note on how this helps in practice. Nested pages make your navigation leaner and reduce clutter in your workspace list. They also keep collaboration straightforward because people working in the same workspace can find everything in one place. If you don't see the three-dot menu, double-check that you're viewing an actual page inside the workspace, not just the workspace list. That's the entire process. Access Microsoft Loop, get started and sign in, open or create a workspace, open the page that will act as your container, use the three-dot menu beside the title, and create one or more subpages beneath it. With just those actions, you've effectively created folders in Microsoft Loop using nested pages, giving your projects a clear hierarchy and a smoother way to work.